Hey guys, today I will show you the full guide on how to get TV Mob on Firestick in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. Step 1. Begin by turning on your Firestick device. Once it boots up, navigate to the Firestick home screen. Step 2. From the home screen, go to the top menu and click on the settings icon. It looks like a gear symbol on the far right. Step 3. In the settings menu, scroll over and select My Fire TV to access system level settings. Step 4. Inside the My Fire TV section, choose Developer Options. Then turn on the option for apps from unknown sources. This allows you to install apps that aren't from the Amazon App Store. Step 5. Now return to the Firestick home screen and select the search icon, typically represented by a magnifying glass in the top left area. Step 6. In the search bar, type in Downloader and select the Downloader app from the list of results. This tool will allow you to download third-party apps. Step 7. Once installed, open the Downloader app. On the Home tab, click on the search bar, where it prompts you to enter a URL, search term, or short code. Step 8. In the search field, type in the URL or code that leads to the TV Mob app page. Then from the Live TV Apps category, click on TV Mob to begin the download. Step 9. When the download is complete, the installation prompt will appear. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. Once installed, click Done to exit the installer. That's all.